What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be really short and cute. I'm going to be doing my 5-product makeup routine. Most of the products that I'm going to be using today I've had for years. So yeah, let's just jump right in. Alright, so fresh face. I already did my skincare routine this morning, so my face is already prepped and primed and ready to go. So the first product we're going to be using, of course, is a foundation. My Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I have it in the shade 390. This actually isn't my exact shade. I kind of just use it because I bought it, you know, but I still haven't found like my exact perfect shade in this foundation. But this one, like once I blend it out, it blends well enough to where you can hardly notice that it's not my like shade, you know. So I'm able to just work with it. Probably most likely when I'm finished with this bottle of it, I'm gonna buy a different shade to test that out. I actually used to have it in 420. Well, I still have it in 420, but 420 was just not my shade whatsoever, and 390 just fits me a little bit better than the 420, but 390 still isn't like the perfect shade for me. I hate like doing my makeup when I don't tie my hair up because my hair is just like getting all in my makeup. I've never I've never actually did a sit down makeup video like this. This is my first time. Well, no, actually I've tried filming one maybe a few weeks ago, but it just didn't come out how I wanted it to come out. So hopefully your girl is able to get this done. This is really just my everyday like makeup routine for when I'm like running errands and I want to put on a little makeup. I never actually do like full on beats. I never beat my face ever. If I want my face beat, I would have to get it like professionally done because I cannot do that. I cannot do that myself. I need a little bit more foundation because I kind of want a little bit more coverage today. And this part of my skin over here is just like so discolorated. I have so much like discolorated skin. I just really want to like cover that up today. So I kind of just like to use this type of a brush to spread the foundation across my skin. And then I like to actually go in with a foundation brush to even it out. Alright, so foundation is done. It's all blended nicely. So I'm gonna go in with some setting powder. Before I use my brush, y'all. I used to use, what is it called? A beauty blender, but I lost it and I just haven't bought another one in like so long now. So I'm just gonna use my same foundation brush to apply some setting powder, but I like to just spray some mattifying finishing spray on the brush. And I'm just using my Airspun setting powder. I literally have so many setting powders. This is my favorite one for like every day because it gets the job done. So yeah, I'm just gonna pat it under my eyes. I don't let it like bake or anything like that. I literally just like put it on there and then I go back and pat it all in. I feel like when you use this setting powder, you don't even need a concealer. Like this powder is basically a concealer. This powder is literally like one of my top 2 and it's not number 2, okay? It's definitely number 1. I love this powder so much. And this powder is the reason why this can be a 5-product makeup tutorial. Like I literally feel like this powder does all of the work. Like that's why I only have to use 5 products because the powder gets it done. And it lasts so long. I've had this same setting powder for 4 years now, literally. I don't do my makeup that often, but still, I've had it for a really long time. Then I kind of just like to drag it up in like the places that I would typically like highlight in. All right, so see, it's coming out nice already. I feel like I should have did this video as like a chit chat, get ready with me, because now I'm in the talking mood. Now I just feel like let's just talk, let's just chat about something, you know? So lately I've just been doing my eyebrows after I have my foundation and setting powder all on, because like usually, you know, when I do my eyebrows before I do my foundation, I always mess my eyebrows up. Like I always get like foundations in my eyebrows or something like that, so it's just easier for me to do them after I've did my foundation. And I have been using this same brand of eyebrow pencil since I first started doing my makeup at like what, 13, 14. This is what I use for my eyebrows, always and forever. It's like 98 cents at Walmart. I've actually bought like expensive eyebrow products, $20 eyebrow products before, that I just did not like as much as I like this pencil. So now I just stick with it. Every now and again I might pick up like a different eyebrow pencil from Walgreens or somewhere, but usually I just always resort back to this pencil. So yeah, I just basically fill my eyebrows in just like that, and then I go in with my little spoolie and I blend it all out and make it look all natural. See? Do you see that? Like, for 98 cents. Like, literally, for 98 cents, this is what you can do to your eyebrows, okay? You don't have to buy expensive eyebrow pomades and all this stuff, y'all know. See, like, you see how that looks good? Look at, I haven't even did this eyebrow yet. Now, granted, I do have a lot of eyebrow hair, so maybe that's the reason this pencil works for me, but it works for me, okay? So my left eyebrow has always been thicker than my right. Oh my gosh, I just realized the left side of my hair is thicker than the right side, and my left eyebrow is way thicker than my right eyebrow. And that's insane. Like, I've always thought about it. Like, when I'm doing my hair, I always like notice how much thicker the left side is, and then when I'm doing my eyebrows, I always think about how much thicker the left eyebrow is, but I've never just put like two and two together. All right, so now that I have my eyebrows drew on how I like them, I'm gonna use this same brush that I used to apply my foundation. I'm just gonna use it to like clean up under my eyebrows just a little bit. I don't add any more foundation or anything to it. I just kind of use like the, you know, the little leftover foundation that's on there. Like, do you see how much thicker this eyebrow is? Like, my eyebrows, they're not twins, okay? They're just sisters. All right, so now we're on to the third product. Wait, no, this is the fourth product. So for the fourth product, I'm just gonna use some more powder. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I have it in the shade dark. So I like to use this to add a bit of contour to my face, so I'm not looking all dull and washed out. So with this powder, a little definitely goes a long way. I've had this one for years as well, and I still have like a lot in here because every time I use it, I literally just use what's like in the top, because you do not need a lot of this at all. Like, when I over contour my face, I be looking like a man, literally. So yeah, I'm just gonna dab a little bit of that powder on there, blow some of it off because I do not like a lot of contour. It just makes you look too manly. And so basically I'm just gonna apply it on the outer corner of my nose. What is this area called? Like, what is there's a name for this here area? I don't even know, but that's what I'm gonna apply it at, to add some definition to my nose, to give it more shape. And I also like go across my nostrils just like this. And now I'm gonna take this here Solantic brush and dab just a little bit of it on there. I'm gonna use this one to just contour, literally just like this. And then I also like to go into my neckline and contour that as well. And I like to just go around my forehead as well, because this makes your forehead look a little smaller. And I have a bigger forehead. I mean, I don't mind having a big forehead, but this just adds some, like, you know, some definition. That's just my favorite word today, definition. Add some definition. And I'm just gonna take this here pointed powder brush. I'm gonna use this to actually blend out everything, you know, make it all come in together. So now I'm just gonna line my lips using that same eyebrow pencil that I used on my eyebrows. Well, it's not the exact same one. I actually have two of them. One of them I use for my eyebrows, and then the other one I use for my lips as a lip liner. Y'all, I really wish I knew how to overline my lips. I feel like every time I try to overline my lips, I just look ridiculous. I love how overlined lips look on like other girls and stuff, and so I really be wanting to get that look. But I can't give myself that look. I don't know why I can't do it. The lip gloss that I'm going to be using today is the NYX Butter Gloss. This is one of my favorite glosses for like every day because it's just so simple. Like if I literally had to pick one lip shade to wear every day for the rest of my life, it would be this. Like, I love it so much. All right, so the last product I'm going to be using today is some mascara. So I'm going to be using this on my eyelashes and on my eyebrows because I like my eyebrows to be super dark. And I had already popped on some eyelashes earlier. So all I need to do is like use the mascara to help my natural lashes blend in with my false lashes. And by the way, I have no idea where these lashes are from. I have like so many different eyelashes in my eyelash collection. I just like pick one and I put it on, but I have no idea. Like I don't even remember where they're all from. I'm gonna apply a little bit to my bottom lashes. After I do my eyelashes, I kind of just go straight into my eyebrows with the mascara. I know they make like eyebrow gels and stuff like that. I actually have a few, but honestly, mascara gets the job done for me. I don't even be needing to use all those extra products. Like you can really get a lot done with a few products. For sure, I don't know how to beat a face, but I know how to make my face look okay. Now this is the last product, but does this really count? You know, because you kind of have to use it if you want your makeup to stay in place all day. Finishing spray is kind of like a necessity. So yeah, so the last product I'm going to be using is this NYX Matte Finish Spray. All right, so my makeup is all done. I'm just going to go ahead and touch up my hair and I will be back. Alright you guys, so this was my everyday makeup routine using only 5 products. Like literally these are the products that I use every time I do my makeup, and I like how it turns out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.